Dad, won't you spare me over another? But what is this that I can't see with ice cold hands taking hold of me? When God is gone and the devil takes hold, who have mercy on your soul, Dad. No wealth, no ruin, no silver, no gold, nothing satisfies me but your soul. Well, I am death, none can excel. I'll open the door to heaven or hell. Oh, Dad. Oh, Dad. My name is Destiny, and the end is easy.
Hello. Okay, so this is probably the weirdest thing I've ever done since I stayed up all night literally doing this. My real eye bags are probably gonna look just like this. So I've been trying to push myself to use more special effects products. So for this I used Extra Flush for the first time with the Fixative A and everything. I used my Mehron face paints. I created this mold for my face out of model magic, which was actually way easier than I expected. Took a while to paint it though, but it looks exactly how I wanted it to, more or less, so that's cool. I made these individual straight eyelashes out of paintbrush hairs that I snipped and glued together at the ends, and then when that was dry I painted them black and then used them as just like individual lashes. Yeah, I was inspired by the warty faces of like vultures and some ducks and stuff, and I wanted to make this really strong warty brow on my face, so that's what I tried for. It's called Vulture because that is what it reminds me of. It's not necessarily supposed to imitate a vulture. I added some graphic elements like this black shape in the middle that's sort of supposed to suggest a beak or something. I have to get ready for work like 10 minutes ago, but I don't know, I just wanted to get a little more weird with it rather than something that you would see typically. Be sure to check out the photos on Instagram so you can see really nice, clear macro shots of the details. And I will see you next time with look number 4.